Hello guys, so this is our second video which we will solve question 12. Basically this is a question. 20 mole percent of ethanol and 80 mole percent of isooctane is flashed at 50 degrees C and 35 kPa and separated into a vapor product and a liquid product. So they want us to calculate the fraction of the feed vaporized. This is the K value. So first of all, we have this X1. X1 is the ethanol molar fraction and X2 is the isooctane molar fraction. These are all the values given from the question. And first, we have to find beta 12. Beta 12 is given the formula from the question, which is from ln gamma 1 is equal to this. And we have value of beta 12 here, so we have to calculate it first to find the activity coefficient 1. So we substitute all the values given into the formula and we get beta 12 is equal to 0.0652. Next, we calculate the activity coefficient 1 by using this formula and substitute the value of beta 12 that we get from previous, and we get gamma 1 is equals to 3.768. So when we get the value of activity coefficient 1, we can substitute to the formula of K1. K1 is equals to gamma 1 P1 set over P. So these two are given and these are calculated. So we get the answer for K1 is 3.176. Next, we calculate the value of beta 21 and we got the answer negative 0.0651 and just substitute the beta 12 into the formula and we get the activity coefficient, which is equals to 1.162. So K2 we can calculate by substituting the value of activity coefficient 2 into the formula, which is gamma 2 P2 set over P, and we get the answer is equal to 0.6474. So this is the fraction of the feed. Next.
Okay, for question 12b, the question asks us to find the composition of liquid and vapor products. So for this question, we have to use flash algorithm where we have to find the value of E. So for the first step, our initial guess for E is equal to 0.5. So from there, we will do iteration where it is more easier to use to do it in the Excel. So this is the iteration that we have done from the Excel. So for F, to find the F, this is the initial formula of F. And after we elaborate it, this is the formula. So for F, we find using this formula, and for the F prime, we will use this formula, and for the F over F prime, we will use this formula. Okay, so to find the iteration of every E, we will use this formula where the E1 is the initial E. We will minus it with the F over F prime that we got. So after doing the iteration, we will get the final E is equal to 0.19957. So after we got our E value, then we can find the value of composition of liquid and vapor, which is our X1, X2, and also our Y1 and Y2. So for the Y1, we will use this formula. So we already have Z1, K1, E. So we just substitute it and we will get our Y1 is equal to 0.4428. And for our Y2, we will use this formula where we also already have our Z2, K2, E, and also K2. So the Y2 we got is equal to 0.5572. And for our X1, the formula is equal to Y1 over K1. So the value of y1 that we got, substitute it, and the x1 we will got it is equal to 0.1395. And for the x2, the formula is this, where we already calculated the value of y2 and k2. So therefore the x2 is equal to 0.8605. So that's all from question 12A and 12B, and that's all from us. Thank you.